and welcome to the SiteVision tutorial. Today we will be focusing on how to view our SketchUp models in the field using SiteVision in 3 easy steps. Make sure you have SiteVision downloaded onto your phone and you have your SiteVision hardware handy as well as your measuring pole if you have one. You will learn how to upload your model to Trimble Connect, how to accurately place your model on site, and some basic visualization features.
The model that we will be using today is a concept design that has been created in SketchUp. As you can see, we have included a control point that we will be able to identify in the field. This will allow us to accurately place the model. Make sure you are logged onto Trimble Connect and open your project folder. From there, you can drag and drop your SketchUp model into the folder. It will take a couple minutes to upload to Trimble Connect, and once that upload is complete, you'll be able to view it in SiteVision. While we are waiting for this to upload, let's get our SiteVision system ready. The first thing we have to do is place our charged battery into the SiteVision battery cavity. Then, we need to attach our Android device to the SiteVision unit. Release the latch and slide the phone into the mount slot. Remember to close the latch to secure your phone in place and plug the cable in. For ease of use, we will be using our SiteVision system with the measuring pole. First, attach the pole mounting bracket onto the measuring pole. Now, slide the SiteVision system into the pole bracket and tighten. Set your measuring pole to a comfortable height. Make sure you remember what height you have set it to, as we will need this later. Now we're ready to head outside and take a look at our model. Start SiteVision on your phone and log in. Open Trimble Connect from the Load Model menu. You will see all of your projects listed in the browser. Select the project that you are working in. Browse to the folder that you uploaded your model to earlier. Select your model and tap on the eye icon to open the model in SiteVision. To get the most out of SiteVision, we need to make sure we have a GNSS position. This will take a couple of minutes to initialize. The satellite icon in the top left corner will go green when we're good to go. This means that when we place our model, it will be accurately located. To place our model in the correct location, we're going to be using the measured placement feature. The first thing we need to do is enter our pole height, which is the height we set our pole to earlier. Next, select a known point in the model. We're going to be using the control point we highlighted earlier. However, you could use a boundary peg, a manhole, or any other entity present, both in the model and the real world. Go to the point you're going to measure. Place your pole on top of that point, making sure it is level, and tap Measure. You can also do this without a pole, however you will need to set the SiteVision unit on the ground when measuring. This measurement ties the model to the real world at this location. Once the first point has been measured, select a second known point in the model. The second point will provide the orientation of our model, and for best accuracy should be a reasonable distance from the first point. Once you've located a point to use for the orientation, walk towards it. We will be repeating the same measurement process as before, so once you reach the second point, stand still and take the measurement. The final step we have to do is walk in a straight line for 10 yards. This allows SiteVision to align our model with the real world, based on the 2 points we have just measured. Now that we've completed our measured placement, SiteVision will remember how you have placed this model today. This means that when you come back to this location in the future, the model will automatically load with the placement you have created. Now we can see our concept model, at scale in the location it was designed for. SiteVision has a range of features to enhance the visualization, such as the transparency slider. This allows us to adjust the transparency of the model. The cross-section slider will cut a section plane orthogonal to the viewer. This can be helpful to observe how the model interacts with the terrain or expose building interiors. The Layers menu in the top right-hand corner allows you to toggle the visibility of individual layers within your model. This allows you to dynamically manage your data in the field. As you can see, these features combined with SiteVision's ability to accurately locate your model in its real-world environment creates a unique, interactive experience. Being able to visualize your model in the field allows issues to be identified early and provides a better understanding for clients and stakeholders.